Good morning, students. Today we are doing a practical of class 11th biology practical. And what is it? What is the aim of the practical? The aim of this is to demonstrate the process of osmosis using potato osmometer. Means by using the potato, और potato को हम किसकी तरह यूज कर रहे हैं बेटा? Osmometer. Osmometer means the apparatus through which we can find out whether the osmosis occur or not. But the very first of the important thing is, what is osmosis? Osmosis क्या होता है? तो osmosis is the movement of solvent, or especially solvent is water, from its higher concentration to lower concentration. अब आप कहोगे बच्चे कि हायर कंसंट्रेशन से लोअर कंसंट्रेशन की तरफ मूवमेंट तो डिफ्यूजन भी कहला सकता है, बट दिस इज अ डिफरेंट वन. मूवमेंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट मॉलिक्यूल और द सॉल्वेंट फ्रॉम इट्स हायर कंसंट्रेशन टू लोअर कंसंट्रेशन थ्रू, दिस इज अ इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, थ्रू सेमी परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन. Semi-permeable membrane. This is important because diffusion occurs without semi-permeable membrane, but osmosis always occurs when there is a semi-permeable membrane, and semi-permeable membrane is present in the living cells. Okay, so here we are using the potato, and potato को हम लोग उसकी semi-permeable membrane की तरह यूज करेंगे, उसे osmometer की तरह यूज करेंगे. Now, second thing is what the material is required. The material required, that is average size of potato we will take. It should not be boiled. Normal potato. Okay, beta. Second is we are taking pure water. Third, concentrated or the 20% sugar solution. 20% sugar solution इसलिए so that there will be the difference in the amount of concentration of the solution as well as this. क्योंकि higher concentration to lower concentration move करना है. Knife and paper. So here I have shown you the diagram which we can easily understand after performing this experiment. I have made a cavity in the potato. Potato में मैंने एक cavity बना दी है और इस cavity के अंदर जो fill किया है that is the concentrated sugar solution. And in this beaker I have taken pure water. We will add a little bit methylene blue so that we can differentiate the color of the sugar solution as well as the pure water. Now, itna I have taken the sugar solution and then put a pin at this position, that is let the position A. This is the position A. Now, after keeping this experiment as it is for 2 hours, after 2 hours, the sugar solution rises. Okay, so previously the pin was at the A, now the pin is at, means now the water level is at B. Now we can put the another pin at here. This is the amount of the water which comes from the outside to the inside. Why? Because here the concentration of water is high. And here the concentration of water is low. Low water concentration क्यों है बेटा? क्योंकि यहाँ पे solute की concentration is low. That's why. So ultimately water enter through these potato peel or the potato as it act as a semi-permeable membrane, so enter into this. Now we will perform the experiment. For doing the potato osmometer, we have taken a normal size potato. Now in this beaker, I have taken the concentrated sugar solution which I made it by taking sucrose and its concentration is 20%. Okay. Here I am taking the colored water, so we can add any of the color or we can add methylene blue also. Okay, now I have taken this peeler. इसको पहले पील करेंगे बेटा, जिससे कि इसके ऊपर की जो डेड स्किन है वो रिमूव हो जाए. Once it get peeled, आफ्टर पीलिंग इट आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग, इसको फ्लैट करेंगे बेटा, जिससे कि इट कैन इजीली कैन बी पुट इट इन द बीकर. एंड आफ्टर दिस आई हैव टू मेक अ कैविटी इन द पोटैटो. तो इसमें मुझे कैविटी बनाने के लिए आई हैव टेकन द स्पैचुला. इस साइड से इसको लेके और शार्प करके इस तरह से आई हैव टू टेकन आउट ऑल द थिंग्स. मीन्स अंदर से इसको कंप्लीटली एक कैविटी प्रोड्यूस बनानी है. और जस्ट कीप इन माइंड कि ये पोटैटो कहीं से कट ना हो, इट शुड बी कंप्लीट. अब इसके अंदर बेटा कैविटी बना दी है कंप्लीट. अब ये कैविटी बन गई है, तो यू कैन सी इट इज वेरी थिन. ये यहाँ से बहुत थिन हो गया है. नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल फिल इट विद द शुगर सॉल्यूशन. इसमें मैंने शुगर सॉल्यूशन फिल करा और इसको पिन लगा दी. जहाँ पे इसका लेवल है वहाँ पे पिन लगा दी है मैंने, वाटर लेवल तक. और इसको मैं दूसरे बीकर में डाल रही हूँ, जिसके अंदर हमने प्लेन वाटर लिया है. आई थिंक ये डूब जाएगा. अब मैंने इसको प्लेन वाटर में रख दिया है बेटा. इसको कलर्ड इसलिए रखा है सो दैट वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई कि कितना वाटर एंटर करा है. अंदर शुगर सॉल्यूशन है, बाहर प्लेन वाटर है. इट मीन्स बाहर वाटर कंसंट्रेशन इज मोर एज कंपैरिजन टू इनसाइड, बिकॉज इनसाइड इट इज द 20% शुगर सॉल्यूशन. नाउ दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट हैज टू केप्ट 2 hours as it is without disturbing it. Because the osmosis is a slow process, it is not a fast one. It is a slow process. Slowly the water is entering inside the potato, and then after 2 hours or more than 2 hours, we can just see what is the level of the water inside the cavity of the potato. Okay, so after 2 hours we will see. Now we left it like this only for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the water level increases in the cavity of the potato. You can easily see. The previous pin is much at the lower position of the water as comparison to now. So it means the potato act as a osmometer. Potato act as a osmometer, and this the water moves from outside to the inside, because water always move from higher concentration to lower concentration through semi-permeable membrane, and that process is called as osmosis. Now, while doing this experiment, what the precaution we have to take? क्या precautions हमें लेनी है? The very first precaution that potato should be of good quality. Good quality means it neither should be rotten, it should not be boiled. Second thing, while making the cavity should be deeper, and the layer should be very thin, and inside we have to keep the sugar solution, and outside we have to keep the pure water. So these things, and it has to be kept in like this only as it is, without disturbing it. We need not to move like here and there. So these are the precautions we have to take. And the water level increases, it means it acts as a osmometer. So this is about we are doing the osmosis by using potato osmometer. Thank you.